Don't forget, this broadcast is only part of the PPR experience. At KUSI.com/PPR, you can see all our full-length features like the Jerome's Furniture Sounds of the Game. This week, it's Patrick Henry's Dominick Silvels wearing the wire. The PPR will be right back.
I think you're the only one that knows I'm knocked up. Really? Yeah. I need a block, just one block. That way, we can score like 4 times in 5 minutes.
Let's go, let's go.
They're gonna kick it short. They go, bro. They watch where I go and then they call the play. Argue. Let's go. Brian, I told you to throw it up, bro. It's mine.
I got you. Next level.
Hey, I see you want a hug too. I'll give you one too, man. I'll give you. Thank you, man.
I love watching.
I'll give you one.